Hello, let's get to work. I'm finishing scraping all the headliner remains. This is in the galley. So today I'm taking the galley apart. It seems like it's easier to see your progress and not feel overwhelmed when you clean as you go. So that's why I try to. The sink and the cabinet was pretty much falling apart. The wood was rotted and pieces were peeling off. So it kind of made it a little simpler to take it completely apart. You can see stuff's just ripping apart. There's two different hoses connected to the sink. There I think there's just one, but I was trying to figure out which one. Oh, here. Oh my goodness, I couldn't figure out how to get a good grip. I was gonna try to take some of the PVC off the sink. Then I figured I'd just take the hoses apart. So I was loosening the hose clamps and figured I'd just pull the hoses apart and rip out the whole sink connection. I think I'm going to clean this up and reuse it. So I didn't take this whole thing apart besides the fact that I couldn't get it to budge. So. This whole electrical outlet, when I took it completely apart, so rusted inside. The screws, everything. So I know I have to replace the whole thing if I'm going to put another one there, which I think I probably will. So I'm going to have to replace that completely. The wood here was so rotted, it was just breaking apart. All the leaks are coming from where the hatches are. So it's like hard to believe the hatches caused that much damage. I'm attempting to remove the oven. Someone said it was a gas oven. It does have a gas line, but then someone else said it was an alcohol oven. When you look inside, it was completely clean, like it's never been used. I have to look it up and see how to use it, actually. I'm attempting to deconstruct the hatches here, put my little knockoff Dremel together, see what I can do. So, what had happened was, I got impatient and aggravated, and I broke it. I was supposed to be changing this out anyway, so the only thing that made me worry is whether or not our replacement is going to match and be thick enough. And thank goodness, it's looking like it is. Yeah, looking like it matches. So since I'm just replacing it anyway, it's not a big deal that I broke it. Plus, I think I have to drill this out because it is not coming out. It's not completely stripped, but the other one came out so easy. I'm probably going to have to drill that screw out. That's what I did. So I'm just going to break it the rest of the way out and go from there. So the guy I got this boat from, he got all the, well, he bought a lot of supplies, like this replacement windows, and they sat for 3 years. So that's why the plastic and the paper over it is hard to remove. It doesn't just peel off because it sat for so long. I'm trying to keep this blade completely flat so I don't scratch into the plastic. And just get me a start filling this up. Let's see if that works. So far, yeah, it's taken a while, but looks like it wants to work without scratching, even scratches. So I'm just going to continue with that. After all that cleaning, it turned out pretty good. And that's it for this week. I'll see you next time.